Hello, today I'm going to show you how to activate a two-component Clearcoat can. So let's start. We are going to open the two covers by using a screwdriver. And then you can see in the bottom side there is a ring. A hidden ring is found. Now let's dip the ring into the bottom side of the can. And the bottom side of the can is the area to activate the extra Clearcoat activator. Pull it out and then rotate it over 360 degrees. Then the Clearcoat activator is open, and then you have to mix about 2 until 3 minutes until the Clearcoat is mixed up with the activator. It is important to mix the Clearcoat a long time because of the activator has to mix very well with the Clearcoat. In the way you are using a two-component Clearcoat, it is a better power, a better surface. It is a harder surface on top of your, for example, your rims. So use a two-component Clearcoat for rims. This is important because of damage. This is harder surface after this. Then after 2 minutes you can use the Clearcoat the normal way. Spray it and rotate it and make a wet and wet action. That means make a first round. After this, let it rest for 2 minutes until 5 minutes, and then make a second lineup with a Clearcoat, and this is the finished work. So you can activate a two-component Clearcoat. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and see you next time again on my channel. Only one round is left, then is the first line ready. And take care, you need a second line. Soon. One thing I forgot. If the Clearcoat, the two-component Clearcoat, is activated, do not use it after 6 hours, because after this, the Clearcoat is too hard to handle, okay? Two-component Clearcoat only use once until it is empty. And here you can see the finish. This is a nice and powerful surface with two-component Clearcoat finish. Okay, that it is. Nice rims, really nice. I like them. I made them. Oh, it's shiny way. Soon, delicious.